Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. In this video, I'm gonna walk through how to reset Gmail password without phone number and email. So if you forget your password and if you don't have the number or Gmail, you can just check the password in your phone settings or in your Google Chrome app. So for that, just go to your settings app. Now just scroll and click on Google. Now here you can see manage your Google account, click on it. Now just scroll here and click on security, and after clicking it just scroll down and click on password manager. You can just click on Google, and after clicking that, just clicking on the eye icon, you can just see the password of your Google account. If you don't have the feature from here, you can just check it from Google Chrome. So go to Google Chrome. Now after going Google Chrome, click the top right three-dot icon, click on settings. Now here you can see password manager, click on it. From here you can also go to this place and click on google.com, and you can just see the password from here. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.